Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So guys, if you want to enable voice chat on your Roblox account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply open App Store and search for Roblox from here. So guys, simply search for Roblox. And now update your Roblox app to the latest version. So guys, simply update it and after this open it, and now you have to tap on more from here and then scroll it below and go to settings and now go to your account, and from here scroll it below and now you have to tap on continue with selfie. From here you have to simply verify your account, tap on continue, again tap on continue, tap on allow, again tap on allow. So guys, wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply verify your account, and after this go back and now go to settings again and then go to privacy and content restrictions, and from here you will go to communications from here, and from here you have to simply go to experience chat, and here you will see the voice chat option as well. So guys, you can see this, you can see experience chat or you can see direct chat. Once you verify your account, you will get the option to turn on enabling voice chat on your Roblox account as well. So guys, verify your account and from here you will see voice chat option to turn it on. So guys, from here you can easily enable or turn on voice chat on your Roblox account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.